It's all about removing friction from the moment you walk into the office. We recognize how precious that time is. It is very important that we continue to think about the workplace of the future. Every space we design and we build today has a real purpose. So when I joined, one of the ideas I had was, can we get rid of the physical badge?
So it's one thing to have like a digital credential where you have to open an app and you like have to authenticate into that app. It's another for it to be in your Apple Wallet and you just tap it and you go.
We looked at this whole concept of using our access control system, partnering and implementing Apple Wallet, and what we learned in partnering with SwiftConnect and HID was employee badge and Apple Wallet was absolutely ready for prime time, and we've had nothing but confidence in rolling it out throughout our organization.
One of the things that makes the employee badge and Apple Wallet really impactful is that it works the same at work as it does when they're at the store or on the subway, because you don't have to teach people how to use it. They just intuitively know because it's what they do on the outside.
The whole idea of people navigating around our facilities globally, it just brings a smile to your face. But it really brings a smile to their face because now when they come to work, they come with their iPhone. They don't necessarily need to come with their old ID badge.
We truly believe in doubling down in the experience we provide to our clients, but also our employees. You want your employees to feel welcome. You want our employees to have pride in the place they work. And we're investing heavily in our workplace to make sure that we generate that pride.
We've had people be like, wow, this just works. But then when they realize that they can use their Apple Watch, then they're like, this is magic.